Donald Trump ran into more legal problems this week after a law clerk for a judge in New York said that the former president must submit for a deposition before the end of the year. The deposition will be regarding a defamation lawsuit that Donald Trump is facing, filed by former Apprentice contestant Summer Zervos, who alleges that on multiple different occasions, while she was meeting with Donald Trump in Trump Tower, one time he forcibly kissed her, and another time he groped her. She made these allegations in 2016, and then shortly after, Donald Trump said, nope, she is a liar, do not believe her. So in 2017, she filed the defamation lawsuit against him. It's been stalled for 4 years because Trump and his lawyers were successfully able to argue that as the President of the United States, you cannot sue him in civil court. Well, guess what? You're not the President of the United States anymore. The courts are tired of having this case just sitting around out there with no action on it. So the judge, via the clerk, said this week, the discovery process has to be concluded by the end of this year, and yes, that includes depositions. Now, I have no doubt that Donald Trump is in fact going to appeal this, because he doesn't want to submit for a deposition. Of course, the other option, because he doesn't want to submit to a deposition or even go to trial early next year, which is where they're eyeing the court date for this, he may try to settle. Right? That's what they always do. Got to make these things disappear. Can't have the worst information making it to the public. So we'll just settle. We'll make her go away. We'll swat her with a couple $100,000. Everything's good. Nobody gets to know our dirty little secrets. Now, Summer Zervos at that point would obviously be presented with that option. Do you take the money and run? Or is it more important to expose who this man really is? And yes, I know a lot of us already know. But this could be a little bit different, right? This could just be more evidence for people who may be on the fence. This could certainly be fodder used against Donald Trump should he choose to run for president again in 2024. We don't know. So, if a settlement is offered, it's all on Zervos to make that decision. Would the money make you whole? Or would taking this man down be the greater good of that scenario? Only she can answer that question. If, by the way, the question even comes up. Trump and his lawyers may think that he's done nothing wrong. They'll submit to deposition, they'll go to trial, and maybe they'll win this thing. Too soon to tell, right? Eventually, we will get answers. Eventually, all of this is going to come out. The question is it going to come out during a trial? Or is it going to come out 15 years from now after Trump leaves this world? The only person who can answer that question is Summer Zervos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel for fresh content 7 days a week.